Oh no. Did he run out of line? Oh,
I've started tearing it apart already
a little bit.
this morning.
Uh-oh.
Pig is really feeling like it this morning.
She is. Did you win? Did you get it in the end? You won? You guys have torn all the fluff out of it? Yeah? Piggy, are you a good dog? Are you very proud of yourself?
Did you tear it to pieces?
Yeah?
Yeah,
That's a good girl?
you did it.
Was that the whole thing? Okay. That's a good dog, though. Piggy's a good girl.
That toy will never toy again.
She's so cute. Wore yourself out already this morning, did you? Yeah. No, don't eat the fuzz. Yeah. You look very proud of yourself.